When we gaze up at the night sky, we see a dazzling array of stars, planets, and galaxies. But what we see is just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Imagine a giant bubble surrounding us. That bubble is the observable universe, the part we can see from Earth. The observable universe is limited by how far light can travel. Since the universe began around 13.8 billion years ago, we can only see light that has had time to reach us. It's like looking back in time. Think of it like standing on a ship at sea. You can only see a certain distance to the horizon. Beyond that, the Earth curves away, hidden from view. Similarly, our cosmic horizon marks the edge of what we can currently observe in the universe. But what lies beyond that horizon? It's a question that has fascinated astronomers and cosmologists for centuries. While we can't see past the cosmic horizon, we have some mind-blowing theories about what might be lurking in the unseen depths of the universe. The cosmic horizon isn't a physical barrier, it's a consequence of the finite speed of light and the expanding universe. As the universe expands, distant galaxies are moving away from us. The farther away they are, the faster they seem to recede. Light from these distant galaxies is also stretched as it travels through expanding space, causing it to redshift. This redshifting means the light is shifted towards longer wavelengths, eventually becoming invisible to our telescopes. The cosmic horizon is constantly expanding as time passes. More light from the distant universe reaches us, revealing new galaxies and pushing the boundary of the observable universe further out. However, there will always be a limit to how far we can see. The universe is thought to be much, much larger than the part we can observe. Some estimates suggest it could be trillions of times larger, stretching out infinitely in all directions. So, what might exist beyond our cosmic horizon? One possibility is that the universe continues much the same as what we observe. There could be countless more galaxies, stars, and planets, following the same laws of physics as our own corner of the cosmos. However, there's also the intriguing possibility that the universe beyond the cosmic horizon is vastly different. The laws of physics might operate differently, or there could be exotic forms of matter and energy that we can't even imagine. Some theories suggest that the universe undergoes phase transitions, like water changing from liquid to ice. Beyond the cosmic horizon, the universe might be in a completely different phase, with properties unlike anything we've ever observed. One of the most mind-boggling concepts in cosmology is the idea of parallel universes. This theory proposes that our universe is just one of many, perhaps an infinite number, coexisting alongside each other. Imagine a vast cosmic landscape filled with bubbles, each bubble representing a separate universe. These universes could have different physical laws, different dimensions, and even different versions of ourselves. The idea of parallel universes arises from various theories in physics, including string theory and quantum mechanics. While we haven't directly observed any evidence of parallel universes, it remains a tantalizing possibility. The concept of the multiverse takes the idea of parallel universes one step further. Instead of separate, disconnected universes, the multiverse suggests that all these universes are interconnected, forming a vast and complex tapestry of reality. In some versions of the multiverse theory, new universes are constantly being born through a process called cosmic inflation. These new universes could bud off from existing ones, creating an ever-expanding network of cosmic realms. The multiverse theory is still highly speculative, but it offers a fascinating framework for understanding the nature of reality and our place within it. It's a reminder that our universe, vast as it is, might be just one tiny part of something much grander and more awe-inspiring. Cosmologists also grapple with the question of the universe's shape and size. Is it finite, meaning it has a boundary, or infinite, stretching on forever? Observations suggest that the universe is flat on a large scale, meaning it follows Euclidean geometry. This flatness implies that the universe could be infinite in extent. However, it's also possible that the universe is finite but incredibly vast, with its curvature too subtle for us to detect. If the universe is finite, one intriguing possibility is that it wraps around itself like a sphere. If you could travel far enough in one direction, you would eventually end up back where you started. Adding to the complexity is dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up about 70% of the universe's total energy density. Dark energy is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Imagine blowing up a balloon and marking dots on its surface to represent galaxies. As you inflate the balloon, the dots move farther apart, just like galaxies in our expanding universe. We don't fully understand what dark energy is or where it comes from, but its presence has profound implications for the fate of the universe. If dark energy continues to drive the expansion, the universe could eventually become a cold, dark, and empty place. Some theories, like eternal inflation, propose that our universe is just one episode in a never-ending cycle of cosmic creation and destruction. According to this theory, the universe is constantly undergoing inflation, with new universes budding off in a process that has no beginning and no end. Imagine a pot of boiling water with bubbles constantly forming and rising to the surface. In eternal inflation, each bubble represents a new universe being born into existence. Eternal inflation suggests that our universe is just a small part of a much larger and more complex multiverse, where new universes are constantly being created and destroyed. While we've made incredible strides in understanding the universe, the realm beyond the cosmic horizon remains shrouded in mystery. The vastness of space and the limitations of our current technology prevent us from directly observing what lies beyond our cosmic bubble. However, the pursuit of knowledge continues. Astronomers are developing new telescopes and techniques to probe deeper into the universe, and cosmologists are constantly refining their theories based on new observations and discoveries. The universe is full of wonder and awe, and there is still so much left to explore and discover. The quest to understand the cosmos is a journey that will likely continue for generations to come, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and inspiring us with the sheer grandeur of the universe we inhabit.